It's muscle.
Yo, what you man arm them my youth? What you man arm?
Okay. Go and down, go and down. We know you can do it. Go and down.
What you man arm them my youth?
We know you can do it.
See you what?
Go and down, go and down. We know you can do it.
Go Van Dam. Go Van Dam. Watch out now. He can't even move. He can't see. He can't. Why you? No, learn. No. Make him over it.
Me not carrying any of that. 230 pounds. And Pino is about to start.
Hey, the nitro kicking out.
Yeah, and nitro does kick in. You're thinking light. 5.
Mike, 10.
Too loud.
8. 250.
Ready when you're ready, yeah?
I'm ready.
Car this ready already? Yeah, do?
You don't let me.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Give me 20. 18, 19. Man. Yes, you what? My prayer. Three, 4, 5, 6, look at it now, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
250. Go. More man, go down more. How much that? See, two of them are teeth. The two of them are teeth, see? Them not put them something make it go low. Them do it easy. I mean still a champion. Watch me I go push it up now. 300 hard me I go watch me. 290.
290.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
29. You win.
So I miss about 3-4 weeks in the gym. Come back since night, I'm nearly dead. I tell you, say, pressure. But I saw it go. We have to put out a little effort, you see. So when you get up in an age, when you reach a certain level in an age, can't afford to make your body run down. Planet Fitness, me there, you know. I'm origin them. Where you gotta do? Just time and length, you see. Do some exercise and keep your body healthy. Eat good food and you keep your body healthy. A ramblings of hope. Remember. Man, I don't know much about going to the gym. But what I know, I sing my little song, and it goes a little something like this. Don't you know no good? Don't you know no good? Don't you know no good? Don't you know no
That dead. Watch out. He can't get up, Mayo. Watch out. Him beating again. Watch out. Yo. Yeah, Mayo. Yeah? I not lie. First, I see your answer.
My mash up.
Mayo, they're done.
But the Lord.
Eh.
Don't you know no good?